Okay, so this is a really lovely 3-bedroomed house on the flat part of town. Gorgeous patio as you come in, so that you've got all that light. Terrace up there. This is just a storage room, as you can see. And then into a little washroom. Really, really pretty. Goes across 3 streets. So you've got one street as you come in. A little breakfast room, kitchen, and all of that looks out onto the patio. Again, that's onto the patio. Shower room here. Into the sitting room, another formal sitting room, and then the bedroom downstairs. So that's bedroom 1. And then you've got another door out onto another street. Then coming back into the house. Got a little space there for your wardrobe. And then up here for the 2 bedrooms. Marble staircase all the way up. Balcony doors out. And another one here. And then out to the terrace. The flat roof there if you wanted to extend the terrace. And then if you wanted to build on top, that actually has a door that goes out onto another street.